Our group conducted an evaluation of usability testing for The Knot, a website that provides a great variety of tools and services for wedding planning. In this video, we will go through a brief introduction of usability testing methods that we used, with all the key findings and recommendations. We used 3 industry-approved evaluation methods and invited 16 participants to do the testing. First-click testing was conducted using Chalkmark from Optimal Workshop, which aimed to evaluate the usability in terms of the layout design. Tree testing was conducted using TreeJack, which is designed to evaluate the user flow and information architecture. We also used Loop11 to observe and analyze how the user interacts with the actual websites by asking them to complete 6 tasks with different scenarios. The scenarios design was well aligned with the different aspects of the website's functionality, which helped them to perform the tasks. We combined and coded all the data collected from our testing to form the key findings, from audio transcripts to post-task survey. The first finding is that the website function attracts many couple users, especially the planning tool and the website customizing tool. Overall, 8 out of 11 participants commented that they were attracted by the website products and services. 25% were interested in the planning tools, and around 50% of them liked 3 or more functions on the site. The second finding is that many guests were satisfied with The Knot because it allowed them to know more about their friends so that they can buy suitable gifts. Overall, 5 out of 8 guest participants think that the website can help them to choose appropriate gifts before attending the wedding. The third finding is that many participants think that the user experience of the shopping function is very well designed because it follows the design pattern of online shopping, which enables users to complete the tasks in a short time. The success rate of shopping function-related tasks are 94% and 81%, which is relatively high compared to other tasks. Although the success rates of the overall Loop11 testing is high, based on the results of the 10 post-task questions in Loop11 testing, we followed the SUS usability scale method and produced this SUS table. The results shows that the overall usability score is under 60, which is considered an OK level. The following findings are the limitations we found from the testing. All of the 3 usability testing revealed that the text presentation on the menu can sometimes be misleading. For example, the task Find the Reception Venues, which requires only 2 clicks to complete, took participants in an average of 25 seconds to find, and 56% of them cannot find the right button within a single try. We recommend to rename some of the ambiguous words and group similar functions within one primary category. For the 2 primary user groups, couples and wedding guests, the website does not provide differentiation in terms of the website design and functionality. According to one participant's comments, they like to have a different version according to their identities. Therefore, we recommend to provide login option as either a couple or a guest and display different versions of the website in terms of the functionality. The 6th finding is about the privacy issue. Currently, couples' wedding information can be searched publicly. According to 3 out of 10 participants, the function is quite convenient, but in the meantime, the public search may put their privacy at risk. We recommend to apply encryption as a solution. Users will be asked to enter passwords to access wedding websites. The 7th finding is that users have to manually look up the desired items. 5 out of 15 participants thought that it took them too long to look through all the menus. In the tree testing, testers need an average of 20 seconds to complete each task, which indicates that there might be some hesitation when looking for something on the site. A solution for this is to add a search function on the navigation bar and let them search their target information right away. The last finding is that some participants complained that they were overwhelmed when looking at all the links and buttons. And one participant who struggled to find the word honeymoon, even though it's right in front of them, suggested to add some icons for better recognition. We also found that the task of create a wedding website, which has icons as identifier, has a 100% success rate. Therefore, we suggest to put icons into the submenus to help users to quickly find what they need. In general, most of the participants successfully completed their tasks, which indicates that the website is functionally performing well. In addition, some adjustments could be made to improve the overall usability level. And that is all for the video.